In the African pickup market, certain vehicles have earned a reputation that transcends brands and trends. These are the pickups that never break down, vehicles that endure decades of abuse on rough roads, heavy loads, and challenging terrain. Among them, the Toyota Hilux stands out as a symbol of resilience. Across Kenya, South Africa, and East Africa, the Hilux has become synonymous with reliability. From farmers in rural areas to contractors in urban centers, the Hilux is trusted to deliver performance day after day, year after year. Its legacy began in the late 1960s, but it was during the 1980s and 1990s that it solidified its legendary status. Early generations, mechanically simple and robust, prioritized function over luxury. They could be repaired in remote areas with minimal tools, making them ideal for the African environment. As Toyota refined the Hilux, successive generations like the N70 and N80 series introduced better comfort, power, and efficiency while retaining the same rugged DNA. The seventh-generation Vigo, launched in the early 2000s, represented a turning point, offering improved interiors, precise steering, and efficient engines such as the 2.5D 4D diesel, which perfectly balanced torque and fuel economy. Despite its durability, early Vigos occasionally experienced turbocharger or injector issues, but recalls and service improvements mitigated these problems. The Toyota Hilux offers a payload capacity of 1,200 kilograms and a towing capacity up to 3,500 kilograms, making it ideal for construction, farming, or long-distance transport. Under normal conditions, fuel consumption averages 7 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers, though African roads push it to 9 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers. Maintenance costs remain reasonable, averaging USD 200-300 per 10,000 kilometers, and insurance around USD 1,000-1,300 depending on model and value. Its widespread service network and readily available spare parts ensure longevity. Moreover, the Hilux enjoys high resale value, making it a wise investment. The Isuzu D-Max complements the Hilux as a durable competitor, favored by contractors and small business owners. With smooth handling, precise engineering, and durable construction, the D-Max thrives in Africa's diverse conditions. Early generations faced minor issues, including turbo longevity concerns and sensor faults, but recalls and production updates address these. Diesel engines like the 2.5 and 3.0-liter variants offer strong low-end torque, perfect for hauling heavy loads or towing. Real-world reports indicate D-Max pickups can exceed 400,000 kilometers with proper maintenance. Acceleration is solid, with the 2.5-liter reaching 0–100 km/h in about 11 to 12 seconds, while the 3.0-liter achieves it in roughly 10 to 11 seconds. Fuel economy averages 8 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers, increasing under heavy loads. Payload ranges from 1,200 kilograms, with towing up to 3,500 kilograms. Maintenance costs are similar to the Hilux, USD 200–300 per routine service, and insurance between USD 1,100 to 1,400. Its off-road capability, low downtime, and strong resale value make it a reliable choice for commercial and private owners alike. The Mitsubishi L200 is another pickup that thrives on versatility, durability, and affordability. Known for its robust construction and adaptable performance, it serves contractors, farmers, and fleet operators well. Earlier generations experienced occasional suspension and turbo issues, but modern variants have corrected these. The Mitsubishi L200 provides competitive torque from its diesel engines, allowing payloads of 1,200 kilograms and towing up to 3,000 kilograms. Acceleration from 0–100 km/h ranges from 12 to 13 seconds, while fuel consumption averages 8 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers. Maintenance is affordable, around USD 180–250 per routine service, with insurance between USD 900 to 1–200. L200's durability on African roads and strong resale value make it a popular choice. The Nissan Hardbody is a pickup that thrives on toughness. Simple mechanics, solid suspension, and durable engines allow it to endure years of heavy use. Diesel and petrol variants carry 901 kilograms and tow up to 2,500 kilograms. Acceleration is moderate, 0 to 100 km/h, in roughly 13-14 seconds. The Mahindra pickup is an Indian brand gaining popularity in Africa. Its rugged appearance and impressive specifications have made it a viable option for those seeking affordability and reliability. Mahindra pickups typically offer decent torque from their diesel variants, allowing for adequate payloads of 901 kilograms and towing capacities of 2,500-3,000 kilograms. Acceleration is modest with 0-100 km/h times ranging from 13-15 seconds. Fuel economy is decent at 10 to 12 liters per 100 kilometers. Mahindra's appeal lies in its low maintenance costs, averaging USD 150-250 per service, and insurance, which typically falls between USD 700-1,000, depending on the model and coverage. Real-world user reports indicate that Mahindra pickups can be quite durable and dependable, particularly on rough terrain and long distances. While these vehicles may not offer the same level of name recognition or extensive service networks as some Japanese counterparts, they continue to gain traction in Africa as a cost-effective and reliable solution for businesses and individuals. The Ford Ranger has emerged as a top contender in the highly competitive bakkie or pickup market, especially in Kenya and southern Africa. Renowned for its bold design and powerful performance, the Ford Ranger offers a compelling blend of capabilities and features that resonate well with African drivers. Launched in 2012 and boasting both single and double cab configurations, this latest iteration of the Ranger represents Ford's commitment to producing a versatile and dependable vehicle. It's been designed to seamlessly adapt to the diverse terrains and conditions prevalent in Africa, delivering a driving experience that prioritizes both practicality and robustness. The vehicle's spacious cabin exudes a sense of comfort and sophistication, while its advanced diesel engines ensure a potent and responsive drive. Furthermore, its impressive towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms positions it as a capable workhorse for tackling demanding tasks with ease. The Ford Ranger, standing in the African automotive landscape, is a testament to its ability to combine modern aesthetics with rugged durability, making it a compelling choice for consumers who seek a blend of style, power, and dependability. At the top of our list sits the iconic Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series, a name synonymous with unmatched durability and reliability on African roads. This venerable vehicle first rolled out in the mid-1980s, evolving from Toyota's original Land Cruiser series with a steadfast focus on rugged construction, solid axles, and enduring engines. Through decades on the market, the Land Cruiser 70 series has consistently demonstrated its resilience and capability in the harshest African conditions, cementing its legendary status. Its appeal lies in its mechanical simplicity, solid ladder-frame chassis, heavy-duty suspension, and naturally aspirated diesel engines that shrug off inconsistent fuel, making it a beacon of dependability across the continent. The vehicle's payload ranges from 1,500 kilograms, and it can tow up to 3,500 kilograms. While acceleration from 0 or 100 km/h is moderate, ranging from 12 to 13 seconds, the true measure of its capability lies in its torque delivery under full load and its ability to traverse challenging terrains. Fuel consumption is typically between 9 to 14 liters per 100 kilometers, influenced by terrain and load. Despite its robust nature, maintenance costs are manageable, averaging USD 250-350 per service. Insurance premiums fall between USD 1,500-1,800, reflecting its value. The Land Cruiser 70 series boasts an exceptional resale value, ensuring that owners can recoup a significant portion of their investment. Reports from long-term owners across Africa underscore its longevity and unwavering performance over millions of kilometers, making it the ultimate embodiment of low downtime, durability, and dependability. Across these 7 pickups, patterns emerge. The Hilux and D-Max dominate due to reliability, resale, and comfort. The L200, Hardbody, and Mahindra provide affordability and versatility, The Ford Ranger adds modern design and power. And the Land Cruiser 70 stands as the ultimate workhorse, embodying durability, low downtime, and mechanical simplicity. Each vehicle is tested and proven under African conditions, from gravel roads to steep inclines, heavy rains, and long-distance travel. Choosing the right pickup can save money, time, and stress, and ensure that you are never left stranded when it counts. If you found this guide useful, hit the like button, leave a comment with your favorite pickup, and subscribe to Carstart Motors for more.